In this part, we're going to have a look at how you can add links onto your OneNote page. And you might want to add a link to take someone to a resource or a website that you want to share with them. Now, to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to click here into our green cell, and we're going to put a link to the OneNote website. So we're going to go up to Insert and make sure that we're already there, and then come down and find Link. And then when we do this, it's going to ask you for the address first. So this is the web address. And if you know it, you can just type it. And if you don't, you can copy and paste it from the website or the document that you're linking to. So I'm going to put in onenote.com. And then automatically the display would just be the same. But if I don't want that to be exactly the same, I could delete that and change it. So I could change this to something like click here. And then I'm going to go done. Now here is my link here. So if I click here, it will give me the option to copy, edit, but what we really want is to open. So if I click on open, that will then take me to my web browser and take me to that website. So if we go back to OneNote, let's do it this one here one more time. And I might click link again. And we might type in our web address. And this time I might just want it to be exactly the same. So I might just write Google and go done. And there we are. So if our user was to click on that and then click open, it'll take us to that web page. Now I want you to have a go at doing all three of them, including the YouTube one for me.